Morning, chat. Let's run it up. What up, no skills? Is the music too loud? Alright, here comes the 930 drop. Let's see if we just manipulate these lows and then come back up on the 15-minute. Couple nice hourly lows on the 1 hour as well. Whoops. Anyways, chat, you guys know me. I don't really take a trade before 9:45. I find a low probability. Let the market do its thing, and then we'll figure out what it wants to do next. We still have Asia sell side, previous day low, and previous week low beneath us. So we got big pools of liquidity below. You like to troll the first 15 minutes? Look, we got great lows on the hourly. On the daily as well, we have two daily equal lows right next to us right here. Coincides with previous week low, so this would be great to go grab. Yes, is pushing up strong now.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, Dave.
How are you?
Doing good. There's some nice equal highs up here from the 8 to 8:30 cycle. I just want us to take out like Asia sell side or at least previous day low before going back up.
Yeah, the only thing I'm not the biggest fan of is we got two SMTs.
You've been buying PayPal
Yes,
to stock?
no.
Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, yes took Asia and Q did not. And then NQ took the low of it. No, ES took the low of Asia and the high of Asia, but NQ didn't take any of it. London low on NQ didn't take Asia, but ES did. You have a bullish SMT, then you also have a bearish too. So what did 930 do? Not much for now. We also closed the last 15 in the leg. And final important thing, because it's Friday, is to look at what the other days did. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday could finish us off in the middle of the range, of the weekly range, to create a wick. Now we'll see what 930 does.
What 9:30?
Obvious levels. London buy side, Asia buy side, and the highs on the 15-minute charts that we have large wicks on. Either in that, if not, we got lower targets as well.
I apologize in advance for any coughing.
You hear me good, right?
Yeah. No skills, it's not that. I'm sick like a dog. And yesterday I had no energy, man. My head was pounding, my body felt like it got hit by a truck. I was completely exhausted. Poor quality of sleep as well. Throat was itching and I was coughing all night. Thank you, broski. I'll be fine soon. I should be fine by Monday. David told me when you feel better, it means you reach your peak. I feel a little bit better today, so I guess my peak was yesterday.
Oh, you feel a bit better today?
Yeah. I don't agree with you though, because
Nice.
sometimes you feel better and then you wake up the next day and then you're at your worst.
I don't know. I feel like God, I feel like if you feel better, then you've probably reached your peak.
Yeah, mornings are always the worst. Because normally it hits you overnight.
Yep. Below we have midnight open, London sell side, Asia sell side, and yesterday's PM sell side with a weekly low of 3. So we do have quite a bit of
Sell targets, yeah.
yeah.
And if you keep it unadjusted, you have previous day low and previous week low.
And we reacted pretty bearishly out of this 15-minute over here.
What lines up with the 360 area? I don't know. I don't see anything here. Where'd you come up with that? No skills. Is it a Fibonacci extension? Yeah, fibs.
Yeah, mornings are always the worst when you're sick. After breakfast and a nice warm shower, you get like a temporary hour and a half of feeling better.
And you get
Yeah, I
struck
hit the
again in the
sauna last
afternoon.
night. I hit the sauna last night.
Yeah.
Felt pretty good. Did a little back shoulder workout, very small. One exercise for shoulders and literally like 2 for back.
Nice.
And yeah, sauna. 10 minutes, shower over there, and so peaceful and refreshing. It's hot in that sauna. Oh my god.
Did I just hear Sparky?
Yeah, the cats are fighting. Oh my god.
Well, now the old cat's getting yelled at from because of the new cat.
Yeah, that was Mike.
Who was that, Mike?
I don't think we're gonna keep the smaller cat, bro. Mike wants to keep it, but my god, if you heard mom last night. Whoo, I haven't heard mom lay down her position and stick to it more in my entire life than yesterday night when someone told her we're gonna keep the cat.
She was like a tigress.
Yeah, mom defended her position. She said there is no cat that we're keeping. He's like, either you guys find it a home or I will grab it and throw it outside. And she was dead serious. She wasn't fucking around. She wasn't messing around. She was dead serious.
Go get her, mom.
Oh, she has good points, man. Holes in the clothes, holes in the couches, fights with a dog.
Yeah,
Bro,
I know. I agree.
more vet bills. She's gonna chew a piece of something, and then you're gonna have to go spend $2,000 for garbage. And same thing with this cat and our other dog. Like, bro, it's nonstop. Mom's right. Dog vet, dog vet, cat vet. Every time it's like $1,500 every like 2 months. You're spending like $10,000 a year to keep the cat alive and the dog alive. On nonsense too. Oh, the
I
dog
don't
threw.
disagree.
Megan brings it to the vet. Oh, the cat's not feeling well. Right to the vet. It's always $1,000 bill. Not only that, you don't even know if our cat is gonna be good, compatible with this cat, you know?
You know what the issue is? The longer you wait, the more chances you are of keeping it.
Oh, yeah, I don't care, to be honest. I'm neutral on the matter.
Yeah,
It's
like
been here
mom
for
said,
what?
until your new shirt's ripped. I already hear
Yeah.
you saying, Mom, give me the money for it.
Not even. Mom ruined my winter jacket, and I had no winter jacket for 2 years.
Good morning, Bella.
But that's how it is.
He's a cute cat, though. I see it. And I know Mike wants to keep it, but what do you
He
want?
is. He is. He's a good cat.
It's going to be a zoo in that house shortly.
But you don't know how he's gonna be with the dog. Problems arise. All right, what do we got? And Q finally took Asia. I still think we can go lower. Hit last
Yeah, we could.
yesterday's PM sell side.
We still got two great lows to go grab.
I don't have PMA sell side. That's what 11:30. Yeah, we got the 11:30 low, and then last week's low. I think which was on Friday. Those are the two lower targets that we have. And then I think we'll reverse. To be honest with you, we'll see what type of movement we get below these lows here. Because we have a large SMT too. Not only do we take Asia, we have an SMT also. And remember, under 9:30, under midnight, you could look for longs. Under 8:30, you are considered in a premium.
I only have two more lows to go grab. Previous day low, previous week low. That's all I have left. I don't think you have the previous week low, right? Sorry, I gotta keep muting my mic to cough, or my throat is still killing me, man.
Oh, is that what you did? You muted your mic to cough?
Yeah. Sometimes I forget, but I know it's not. It's probably nauseating to listen to me cough. Wow, yes, has been a stronger asset for like 3 weeks.
Wait, which one took a bunch of extra weekly lows? I'm pretty sure it was ES. That was much more bearish too. Let me check.
I don't know. Yesterday when we were down like 2.4% on the Nasdaq, ES was only down like 1.4%.
Which lows are these on the weekly? June 29, June 22nd, June 29. Oh, okay. Yeah, ES has some catching up to do to come lower like in Q. I don't know. I'd really like to see yesterday's 11:30 low and last week's low to get taken,
Yeah, me too.
and then I could look for longs because there's nothing. There's not much. There's not that many clear targets below.
And we get a long back in the range.
That is clear skies. There's no key PD erasure.
No, we don't. The only thing I have is the hourly lows here. We took the internal. We have left the previous day low. That's it. I mean, we don't have to take it. It would be just cleaner for me if we took previous day low.
Yeah, I got them from the gym. I made beef and eggs last night with strawberry milk. I felt like a child. It was so good though.
Did your stomach start to kill?
No, not really.
Beef, eggs, and strawberry milk. What a mix.
I had a bit of crabs during the night, but stomach aches. It's pretty cool. Strawberry milk. Remember the Nesquik strawberry?
Yeah, was it the syrup or the powder syrup, right?
It was a syrup.
Alright, NQ, let's go. You're not that far from previous day low. Go grab it. Look at ES though. ES is pushing up. Damn, I just spilled water on my shirt. Come on.
It's okay. It looks like sweat. It's good. Looks like you're really working hard here.
I'm gonna have a stain here for a while. Hopefully it dries. What a candle, man. I don't believe this candle. I don't believe the story it's trying to tell.
I don't know. We did take Asia. We were below midnight. So we do have a big
internal.
SMT also from the first two 10-minute cycles. See, that's a bullish reaction too. You know what sucks? Is that even if I get along, because we have yesterday's low, I can't even take it. I can't take trades away when you engineer a low right above a daily low or a huge point of interest. Like here, you see it?
There you go.
There we go. There you go. Just a bit more.
This candle's lying. This candle wasn't telling the truth. I told you.
Just a bit more. We got weekly low over here. 408.25. What a candle, though, huh?
Last Friday's low is your target. Is that previous week low down here? No skills at 408.50.
408.25.
We missed it by a hair. But we swept again on the hourly. Was it last Friday? Yeah, last Friday's low. We don't have to take it. Sometimes when we take in the internal before the last external low, we can come back up. We probably will, though. We're right there. Makes sense for it to be taken. There you go.
There you go. Other than that,
I don't have any more targets.
Just no more targets.
These last two internal daily lows, but they're at 273 and 231. I don't think we're going to be grabbing it today. Normally Friday finishes in the range, right? No skills. What does it line up with? Which fib extension? 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4? And what range did you take to calculate it? Did you take the morning's range? There you go, no skills 360. The long weekly range. What a bounce off 360, huh? The long weekly range. Wow, previous day low. ES is pretty far from previous day low. So where's the next daily low? Down here at 269 to 265. Wow. Do we even have any 4-hour fair value gaps or anything that can hold us here? Nothing. We have exactly those
skies.
lows. Yeah, this is clear skies till these lows down here. Well, anyway, chat, we need structure to form. Right now we're coming down pretty hard, so.
Yeah, now it's a waiting game.
Yeah. Well, that previous month low is really not out of sight anymore. Really not that far, only 100 points away. I really thought 930 was just going to manipulate lower and then we're going to push up to take out the highs that we made between 730 to 830. We made relatively equal highs there. Even above it, we have a close high.
It's the first bullish candle.
Yeah.
It's cold in my office today. Oh, the first bullish candle it ended bearish. That's hilarious. The last 8 seconds. All right. Get some structure here. Hopefully we'll find a trade around the 11 macro. maybe even sooner, depending on how good price action is. It's going to be your first break of structure. First displacement candle if it's green. Could potentially start to reverse here.
I would love one more internal sweep of the low for it to cause SMTs between EN and QNES. ES just took out London A sell side, so we don't really have to push down lower.
No, we don't. We have a huge SMT with yesterday's low right now.
$10. That's a nice one, no skills. I would like this trade right here, 1-to-1. It just is a bullish order block and we had a soup down here. What an aggressive bullish candle.
Yeah, that's your first break of structure right there.
I want to see if it leaves that gap open. Wow, yes, it's already banging on 930 open price. He has a long way to go. Good news, my shirt dried. Just realized.
All right, we're in the 959 order block. It's the one that swept, so it has more power than any other order block. We'll see if we want to hold here and push up, or we still need some more structure before we start to go up. We'll have a failure.
Will this fair value gap hold?
Yes, is looking like he wants to go up. That's a failure swing here, which is good. I'm really going to base myself off ES. If ES starts to push below this low, it looks like he wants to head lower, then we have PM's south side, and we have yesterday's low on ES to go grab if we want to push lower. We'll see how ES wants to react here. But I do like that 10 a.m. sweep.
Yeah. Good morning, James. How's your week been?
It's a nice candle.
Are you in if this is a bullish candle?
I'll see where it closes. It's not the nicest reaction.
I feel like everybody on this planet suffers from back pain. I don't have chronic back pain, but my upper and mid back, it's like the knots catch up to me so quick. If I'm picking up stuff, my middle back starts to cramp so much and I can't even do anything anymore with it. Except lie down.
Yeah, it's for sitting down all the time.
It's so bad. I don't think meat came from heavy lifting. I had issues like that since I was a kid after playing hockey and stuff. I would go to paintball with my boys, and after an hour and a half, 2 hours, I couldn't even hold the gun anymore. My back used to just like cramp, like all the muscles were in so much pain. What are you looking at, Dave?
Yeah, that's pretty bullish. This candle closes bullish. I have to take a long here. Stop at the low here.
I thought I had to cause a failure swing low.
Let me get some follow through.
Come on, yes, have a little generational run for NQ to catch up. It's crazy because I really like the highs up here. All the way at like 690, 700. I know we're far away, but we're still in a huge discount.
Yeah, but I want to see big green candles. I already moved my stop. I don't like this top fair value gap here, to be honest. That we're in consolidation before the drop.
You moved it already? That's crazy.
Yeah, I don't like that trade much when we're in the top of fair value gaps before we have a large run. Like we had a little consolidation and a huge drop down. I don't like those fair value gaps at all.
So you already got break even?
Yeah, I got out. Especially that the daily low is right there. I'd rather see some structure form on the right side of the curve to continue up. It's not as high probability for me. I wanted us to see a huge candle and continue pushing up and not reverse from the 950 fair value gap.
But you risk 70 points to move your stop after like 7-8 points. That's crazy.
Yeah, it is. But sometimes you get a huge speed, and that's what I wanted to see. It's not the favorite spot for me, like I said, to take fair value gaps. The last fair value gap in the leg after a small consolidation, and you're at a daily high, daily low. But if I see some more structure form, then I could still take longs. Also, I didn't like how far my stop was too. It's too big of a trade for even for 1-to-1 is long. It's okay. I'll wait. I'm in no rush. I wish the trade happened a bit lower so I can move my stop at a proper space, but
GG, no skills. Enjoy your day. Sorry, David.
I'm just saying I don't like trades where you have a small consolidation, a huge push down, and then you take a long when you're right at that low, that high end of the fair value gap, right near the consolidation. It's not the best. The only reason I took it is because my trade setup was there, but I hoped that it would run in with speed. Those are the best trades. A lot of times when you're right, it'll run. It won't play around with you. It'll run in your direction really fast with huge big bodied candles. I don't mind waiting for something better. It's still early, it's 10 o'clock. I still think we're gonna go long though.
Yeah, me too. Huge discount. We took enough lows out.
See what you see what experience brings you. You think I would want to be in for 5 minutes like this?
I'm just saying that risk to reward didn't make much sense.
When you're right, it runs fast. Doesn't play around. Yes, there's time distortion sometimes, but I'd rather wait for something more clear. Yeah, I saw the videos you sent me on those people with the fake charities.
Oh yeah.
That was greedy.
I don't know. People get so mad though.
People get, yeah, I don't know. People get so mad and they give them so much attention.
I know, it's so funny.
It is.
Who do you work for? All Hands Foundation. Who's
Give
your
me
manager?
give me your
My dad.
supervisor's
My
number.
dad owns it. My dad's the boss. Kick rocks. Yes, took
What'd
up
you say?
the morning high.
What was that?
Good boy,
Shush.
shush.
Oh my God.
Think I was gonna fall for it, huh?
I'll show your mom the video. She was laughing.
You thought I was gonna fall for it. Oh, that's a big bearish SMT. I think it really gets to people because he only asked for $1. And when they say no, he's like, oh, greedy fellow. For $1. Nobody wants to be called greedy for $1. Not gonna lie, that's a beautiful bearish SMT. And it was a closure below the morning high as well.
Oh, it's really cold in here today. See how I saved myself from experience?
Yeah.
I didn't hit the stop yet, but you think I would want to be in this trade? How it's reacting out of that top fair value gap? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 8 minutes, 9 minutes in the trade. When you're right, my TP hits in like a minute or two. Huge SMT, and then we inverse the fair value gap. So here comes lower.
Yeah, it was a great SMT up there, bro. Crazy nice bearish SMT into the last fair value gap of the leg as well, and between the 30-minute cycles. Wow, that was actually a beautiful bearish SMT between the 30-minute cycles into the last value gap of the leg and then a strong rejection lower, huh? I still don't believe in previous month low though. Back up we go. Chad, I'm sorry I'm coughing, I'm sneezing. I apologize again, I'm very sick.
Don't apologize, sweetheart.
My throat's itching. Alright, well, we got some unmitigated 15-minute for value gaps. What at 10 o'clock to open up, moved lower, took out the previous hourly low. I think it's time to go up from here. Hey, can we get a retrace here, like back down to the downside so we could find a long? And not revert the whole move in 5 minutes? Give me something like this. Wow, if we invert this for value gap, I would love to go long, man. Just no stop placement would make sense. We don't even have a low. Yes, took out that high again. David?
Yeah, what's up?
Nothing, I haven't heard you in a while.
Oh, I'm freezing here. Really, really cold. Honestly, I'm kind of surprised we moved back up, to be honest with you. I thought we would push lower. I thought ES would definitely want to come back down. It just formed another SMT. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Well, we took out a bunch of liquidity so we could consolidate here for a bit and maybe find a move around 1045. That's what I'm really hoping for, and I'm hoping it's a long. Because if it is a long, then I can probably go for a 2R, maybe the high of the morning after 9:30. We'll see the way price presents itself here. Let's check ES. Where would the ES want to potentially go?
The morning highs.
Let's check the 50. Yeah.
A lot of highs in that 770 area. Sets of equal highs, SMT, big wick high.
ES right now is in a big 15.
Bullish, I'm guessing. Ah, bearish.
That's a bearish for value gap, but it's in.
You are correct. And it's a third candle into it. Yeah, if we get some momentum here, it'd be nice. Tapped into the fair value gap of this leg as well. The lower one.
I'll try a long one if I get a confirmation here, but even if it fails, I'll try again. I'll keep myself 2 bullets for today because I'm pretty confident in longs here. We don't have anything to go grab on NQ lower. And now you have a huge SMT after 10 o'clock. So I don't know. We'll see.
Good morning, Megan. Meg, are you, do you want to keep the cat?
No, don't even start that conversation.
Give him my room.
What?
You give the cat my room.
Yeah. Lock him in a small bedroom. That's the cat's dream.
Don't close below.
Huh?
I don't want it to close below this swing low.
Oh. You got your wish.
Might get along here.
Not really doing much here though. Just moving sideways for now.
Order filled.
Bro, why is it struggling to take that internal high? It's right there. There it is. Oh.
Bro, can I not go pop up?
That was a fail because the opening of the next candle was pretty fucking whack.
I didn't get a great fill. No. No, no.
You move your stops, no, when it takes internal highs.
No,
No,
it was not an internal high because it's the high of the candle, bro.
Oh.
Damn.
Stop filled.
That was fun. GG to me, bro. 30 fucking loss.
Wow, look at ES.
Oh.
No biggie, Iggy, just one loss.
Yeah, bro, one loss. But that was so clean to another sweep into a fair value gap. And a closure above. I thought we were gonna rip from there. At least take out that internal high at 1023.
Ooh.
A bearish Friday.
Oh, we took a bunch of targets and we're just moving sideways. Amazing.
That just happened. I drew out that trend line. I'm like, bro, I actually went against that trend line. I thought it was time.
I hope we don't stay like this the whole morning. That would suck.
I don't remember coming back down. Where Friday we came down all week. We only have previous month low as a target left. We already took out so many lows. Good morning, JC. Bro, these candles make no sense. Still coughing. I still have that itchy throat. Feeling better though. Yesterday I had like horrible energy. Kept me up all night because I had to keep coughing and my throat was like itchy.
And you.
Are you talking about the engulfing candle at 10:32?
What's up?
No, I was talking to James.
Oh.
Where are we heading? Huge gap on the daily as well, though, under those lows. Big volume imbalance.
Another SMT. Yeah, yes, looks like it's coming down now for all these lows. Whew.
The obvious targets would be the previous month low, which we're right there about to grab. Not far from it a lot at all. The internal low from Thursday the 11th. Good morning, TA.
We're gonna have lower targets on it. What the hell did we even go grab? Last month's low. Extra frisky in here. I'm shivering.
We just took out another internal 1 hour. Previous month low left. don't know if I believe this candle. Talk about another bearish candle, man. Hoo-wee. Wow. Yes, then take out that that low as well. Crazy. Think that low on ES holds? I doubt it. Into the wake of 10 a.m. Isn't that Powell's 10 a.m. rejection block on ES? Hello?
Oh, I hate this price action. Oh, yeah. Come on, 11 o'clock. Give me something.
I was telling you, it looks like the 10 a.m. rejection block on ES, the Powell trade.
Yeah, it might hold. Who knows? Actually might hold. Your gym, do you have a sauna and stuff?
No. I don't think so.
Oh, yeah. Every gym should have one.
Maybe
No
I just
steam room,
didn't
no
look.
sauna.
I don't think so.
Oh, that's surprising.
That looks like a clean confirmation candle.
All right, still got an hour.
If only the market would always do that when we're in a trade, huh? Just blast up. Get yourself a 100-point candle. Merry
Wait, what?
Christmas.
That's a 100-point candle. No.
No, it's not. I'm just saying, like, it would be nice. Makes sense to get a reversal here too. We don't need to take out the previous month low. We took out that internal daily low right before it as well.
Oh, don't run, don't run. Don't run yet, please.
That's crazy.
Don't run, don't run. It didn't run. It came back.
Don't worry, boy, I ain't running.
I mean, it is time to go grab all that. It's time! It's time! What a bullish candle. Holy mama. Any targets? Unfilled 30 above. 15 around the same place. and filled hourly in 5 minutes will form. No, I'm cold. Been this cold in a long time in this office.
That wasn't a nice candle.
Nope. Still got a full hour.
Good morning, your thoughts?
Your thoughts are my thoughts are yours. Okay, but I kind of like this. 11 o'clock is coming. We're getting some momentum. We'll find something. I will find a trade today. Is Darth Bane here?
No.
I haven't seen him in a while.
It's too bad we didn't get a second green candle there.
Yeah, it would have been fairly nice. Pretty big SMT, time macro, displacement. After testing 10 a.m. and a for value gap also.
Nothing much. I got a dirty loser this morning. I took a long ride over here on the 1028 candle after we had an internal soup into a fair value gap and a closure above the black body.
Wow. 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 Meow. I am freezing.
This week has been horrible for me. I got slaughtered this week.
Not really cold.
I have all funded accounts with Apex. And my bro is with Tradeify. Or does my SMT indicator not work? It's telling me I have a 30-minute SMT with ES from the 1014 high. How does that even make sense? They're both taken. And Q still has a long way to run though for all these highs up here.
Yeah, you do. I'm gonna go to the bathroom quick. I'll keep my phone on me. I'll watch the charts in case there's an entry for me.
But there's the same fruit fly in my office. It's been like a week. And it keeps passing in front of my face. It's like bothering me. Keeps flying back and forth.
I'm back. Couldn't take it anymore. I put the heat on. Way too cold. It's a good thing it heats up fast in here.
With your door closed, it warms up like an oven.
Yeah, it warms up pretty fast in here. That's the good part. I could put it on full blast and like 5 minutes later, it's nice and warm.
Ah, my nose is leaking.
Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Wow, the sauna felt actually so nice yesterday. It's so relaxing.
Shabbat Shalom, TA.
It's cold. It is cold in here. just gonna go back and forth all day?
Just turned 11.
Rejecting off the 30-minute. Small 15-minute we're respecting too. And we tapped into an hourly. That's the scary part. We tapped into an hourly right now. That's what's scaring me, to be honest.
Bro, this price action's been catching a lot of people, man. It's crazy.
You're hot and you're cold, you're yes and you're no. There's no reason for us to come back down. Should push up from here.
Yo, what is this, man? Nothing's clean here. Are you gonna give me options, Lucky Miner, or you're... Okay, there you go. Well, I can't talk about dropshipping. I have absolutely no idea about that. And at 18 years old, I would focus more on a job that you can collect commission from. Or like do delivery for like if you're able to drive the company car and you're able to do deliveries, and for example, like we have St. Hubert here. That's a great job for an 18-year-old too.
Yo,
Yo,
what is
what's
happening?
going on?
Wow, look at ES. Oh my god. ES said I want all of it.
Well, trading's gonna take up a lot of your time, and you're not gonna become a millionaire in the first year of trading. So at 18 years old, what's the best way to start making money is not trading at 18.
No, but if you start, you need a job on the side. You gotta fund your funded accounts. You gotta fund your accounts. You need money for going out, for bills.
Well, find what you're passionate about. If you start studying trading and you're passionate about it, you can continue. If you start drop shipping and you find a passion in developing that skill, then continue that one. Don't just start something to start something. If you don't have a love for it, you won't make it anywhere. I don't know, I find a great job. If I could go back in time when I was 17, 18 years old, to be a delivery driver for a very for like a restaurant that has a lot of takeout. Because bro, you can collect a lot of tips from that. Or even become a waiter if you could at a fancy restaurant. Or like a medium type fancy restaurant. Not super high end, because then they'll ask you for experience, but because waiters can make a lot of commission too. Make a lot of tip. So that too is nice. Instead of working for minimum wage somewhere, you know.
I'm a chameleon. You come and go. You come and go. Yo, there's no way I wasn't able to catch along.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's
Yeah,
unfortunate.
sometimes you just don't get an entry. It's life.
Oh, James, I forgot you were in a long. Yeah, congratulations. That's a great place to partial to. If anybody's on a long, it'd be a great place to move your stop to break even too. Bro, those are rocket fuel candles.
We're confused.
Wow, ES has been so strong lately. And ES tapped into a 1 hour bearish right here too. Yeah, me too. Break even is a big part of my trading as well. Take the risk off the table. That's a high take profit. That's a runner. I like the 690 area though. Lines up with all these highs. What's the 590 area, the morning high? We don't got much here. We're climbing up pretty fast. The candles are pretty big as well. No entry though. Yeah, James, I think you're good. I think NQ should at least take out the morning high, which would hit in at 590. I don't see why not. ES is so much higher. It's higher in regards to the day, but the previous week low of ES is all the way up here at 473, which we're above on both NQ and ES.
I was really hoping for a long this morning. I didn't get any of my entries, unfortunately.
Yeah, I was hoping for a winner. Got smacked in the face.
So I hate Friday PMs.
I really feel like higher prices are the way to go this morning. Friday closed back into the weekly range. Huge daily for Friday gap 2 are probably going to form. Here we go. More than just a dream. Ugh. Did you stretch at the gym?
Nah. I did some pull-ups to warm up. What did I do? I did some straight vertical pull-downs. I did some seated cable rows. And then I did some lateral raises with some face pulls. And then I hit the sauna. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't find a long here. Sucks, man. I wanted a long.
All right, looks like bearish S&P is going to push us lower. 11:30. What's up, Teddy? Long time no see. Are you looking at anything here, Dave?
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna catch anything, bro. I don't have anything here. We're at 50% of the daily range. If I slow down a bit. I'd like for NQ to catch up to yes, but right 9:30 price, around 50% of the day's range. I don't know if I'll cap something in the next 30. I'll be here though. Who knows? Sometimes it looks like you won't get nothing, and I get a trade like 5 minutes later. So
Yeah.
I'll be here. Let's drink some water.
Come on, can we get a trade before 12? Let's go, NQ. Move a little bit. We're still down on the day on NQ though. NQ still down 0.4% from open. What do you think happens in the PM, James, though? You mean once the UK closes their books, the PM price action is going to be garbanzo? Yeah, we're really holding this area. NQ's main target is at least the open, but I really like these highs up here too, near the 700 level. Is it gonna go now? Here we go. Coming up to 12. Here comes the momentum.
What a trade. Oh, I think the winners that always feel the best are either Friday or Mondays. You start off the week well, and you end off the week well. Those are
I'm
the
gonna end
best.
off the week like shit.
Yeah, me too. I didn't do much this week at all.
I got slaughtered. We're gonna rip through that fair value gap on the 1 minute. James, we're coming up to the 590. Yeah, James, right here isn't that bad as well. Whoops. You have this last 1 minute bearish. Nice, James. Yeah, we're not far from it, and the highs up here are very clean.
I don't really got much time left to find a trade. It's not looking like I'm going to get anything.
Are you busy throughout the week? It's funny, I feel like I see I see you more often on Friday AMs. Ah, you're able to do it while being at a bank? Good for you. Lucky you, man. Yeah, if your job permits you to have spare time to keep an eye on the charts, that's great. Yeah, I realize a lot. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Friday AMs you're mostly here. Coming up to lunch. Looks like it's starting a little bit of a consolidation here, unfortunately.
Well, it's coming up to the end of the AM.
Take my mind to another place.
Are you trading PM?
Me no, had a horrible week. Let me know if you don't. If you are though, I'm gonna go run some errands. If you're not, I'm just gonna take my time and stuff. I have 2 things to go do. I spoke to. Normally, there's a response that comes after.
I'm thinking.
Oh, okay.
What type of errands do you have anyway?
Gotta go pick up pants. Gonna go to the market, the farm.
Farm. You're going to a farm?
Yeah, the one right beside her house. For like fresh fruits and vegetables and stuff.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
Oh, another bullish SMT.
I think she's smashing a smashed burgers.
$20 seconds till the minute closes. We'll have our last 5 minutes of trading of the week.
Hey, new episode of Agent Kim today.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like we've concluded the morning.
Yeah, it doesn't look like there's gonna be much here.
Yeah, I don't even take trades anyways in consolidations.
Alright, chat, I'm gonna call it a day here. Horrible week for me. We'll be back next week, hopefully. Enjoy your weekend all, and I'll see you guys next week.